welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn and my channel's name is My Randomly Organized Life. And today's video is my November Ipsy bag. So I'm really excited to share with you everything that I got in my Ipsy bag for November. Before I go into that though, I want to say thank you for watching, and if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family. And if you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up. And at the end of the video, I would love to hear what you got in your Ipsy bag as well, because I know sometimes people get different items based on their preferences and their account profile. So I love hearing what other people get. And then, did you get the same items as me? Did you like them? I'd love any feedback you guys have about Ipsy. I have been an Ipsy member for a really long time, so I think I joined when I was in college, so it was before 2010, because that's when I graduated college. So I've been with Ipsy for quite a while, and I love getting the little makeup bags and all the sample sizes. I've said this in previous videos, I love getting sample sizes because then I get to test something out before paying full price for a full size. So I really like that. And then what I really like about Ipsy as well is you can pause your subscription at any time and then rejoin. I think you might actually have to go in every month and pause. So if you want to skip a month, you can do that, but you do have to keep going back in every month and skip it. But that's nice because then, if you end up with getting, getting too many sample sizes and you're not going through them fast enough, you can definitely pause each month and then rejoin when you want to get some more. So I really like that. And then you can go on and review your items, and you can give it, I think it's up to 5 stars in different categories as far as the brand, the type of product, the color, etc. And then they try to tailor it to something that you would enjoy in your Ipsy bag. So I'll go ahead and get started and share with you what I got. This is the bag for the month of November. It's a kind of a navy purple blue-ish color. I don't know really how to describe it. It looks more purple on camera, but to me in person it looks more blue. And then it just has black hearts, and then the zipper is just a gold zipper. I was actually kind of disappointed in the style of the bag. With it being November, I figured it would be much more of a fall theme, but I still think it's cute. But again, I was kind of expecting something to be more fall themed since it is November. And another thing about Ipsy is when you review items and you share them to your Facebook or your other social media, you get points, and you can spend those points on items that will come into your next bag. So last time I picked out this lotion, and so then it came with my November Ipsy bag, and it is from the brand Delectable. It is just an ultra nourishing hand cream. Clementine is the scent, so I might actually save this until like spring or summertime, because that scent seems more spring and summery to me. So I'm not going to take the safety seal off. I'm going to leave that on there. But I do like citrusy smelling lotions, so I'm sure I'll like it. I have no doubt that I will like the scent of this lotion. But I just wanted to share that you do get to spend Ipsy points, and you can get additional items in your next bag. So this is what I picked out. The first item I have here is a translucent powder. So here's the little jar that it came in. Super cute. And then the back there. So this is probably the smallest little jar I've seen of powder. I think the top is really cute with the little bow. I don't know if the camera's picking that up too well. But then it's just like a normal translucent powder. It has the little holes in the top to tap it out of the container. And then there's tape on it right now since I haven't used it yet. So I'm going to keep that on there actually. But I have other translucent powders too, and I don't use them a ton. So again, another reason why it's great that it's just a small sample size, because I don't go through them very fast, and they'd probably end up going bad before I was able to use it all. But I do like to use translucent powder, mostly in the summertime, I feel like, when you're hot and sweaty. But in the wintertime, I don't feel like I need one as much, so definitely something that I use in the summertime more than any other time of the year. The next item I have is from Skin Iceland. It is a brightening eye serum, and I love getting these in my Ipsy bags. I'm a mom of 3, so anything I can do to help out my eyes. That's great with me. But I've never used this brand. I've gotten a lot of other eye serums and stuff in Ipsy bags, and I've never tried this one actually. It has a very soft scent. It smells almost kind of powdery. It's not a strong scent at all. But yeah, it's just your normal eye cream, a different brand that I haven't used before. So interested in trying it out. Next up is a mascara, and I love getting mascaras in my Ipsy bags because I don't go through them that fast. So then usually they end up drying out. But this is the one that I got here. And I'll open it and show you the wand. So the wand is huge compared to how small it is. But I do really like getting mascaras, and I feel like this one will be perfect for me. It's a volumizer one, and I can always use a little extra in my eyelashes. So again, like I said, I love getting mascaras in my bag, especially ones that are little like this, because you can throw them in your purse, or if you're traveling, you can just stick them in there as well. So these are perfect. So next up is an eyeshadow, and it's from The Balm. So this is just what the package looks like. Very summery, which is kind of, I mean, I know it's The Balm, but it seems kind of strange for a fall Ipsy bag. And then that's the color. So the color is called Brave. It's kind of a purple brown almost. Here, I'll swatch it on my hand for you guys. So that's what the swatch looks like. It is kind of a purple brown. So here it is up against the eyeshadow and the swatch on my hand. So it's very pretty. The color is much more of a fall color. So I think this will work great for November. Again, it has a tint of purple in it, but it is more brown than purple. So I really like getting single shadows just because they are easy to travel with, or just to throw in your purse or something like that. And then they're not big and clunky like a palette. Some palettes are really big, and so I do like getting singles because then I can test out the formula of something, especially if it's a type that I've never used before. So again, definitely love getting single eyeshadows. So the last item I have is a lotion, or sorry, it's a body butter. So it's a pistachio oil body butter, which seems really strange to me. I've never seen pistachio anything beauty related, I guess. I mean, maybe it's a thing and I just am a mom and live under a rock. I don't know, but looks pretty interesting. I like the little bag that it comes in, just because it won't break or anything like that when you throw it in your purse. So I'll open it up and see what it smells like. It actually smells really good. I wasn't expecting to like it, to be honest. But yeah, it's just a normal body butter. It says to use on your body after bathing or as needed. It almost smells like it has a little vanilla in it. Something a little extra other than the pistachio. And it is green. I don't know if you can tell on the camera. But yeah, it smells good. I wasn't expecting to actually like it, to be honest. Again, I really like getting lotions like this in the soft container, just because they won't break or anything when you throw them in your purse or the diaper bag or anything like that. So yeah, I pleasantly like the smell of this one. Didn't think I would, but definitely like it. Okay, so that is everything from my November Ipsy bag. Again, if you're new, I'd love for you to join our YouTube family by hitting that subscribe button below. And if you liked this type of video, give it a thumbs up. And just wanted to say thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.